Good afternoon, everyone. Gina here, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to a Black Friday coverage video. So I have 12 amazing deals to share with you guys. For Black Friday deals you can take advantage of right now, and most of these deals are running through Saturday. So I have everything hyperlinked for you guys, and there are just some fantastic deals. But before you hop into these deals, you need to text the word toy to 827438, and you're going to get a coupon that's going to take 25% off of one toy, and that coupon can be stacked with the deals that are on sale. So let's just go ahead and hop into it. So the first deal is on the Secret Life of Pets Blu-ray DVD. So it is on sale for $9. Regular price is $24.99, and it's a part of the buy two get one free sale that's running on books, movies, and games and activity sets. And then the second movie that's on sale for $9 is the Men in Black International. So you could buy two of these and then get one of them for free. You can get you can get three Secret Life of Pets videos if you wanted to. You could get three of them for $18, so it makes them $6 each. So this is a really good pairing, especially with that buy two get one free. So the next thing I found is something really fun, and it is a unicorn weighted blanket. So it's regularly $40, and it's on sale for $24.99. And they have some other characters too. They have, I have them linked for you guys. They have a Mario version, they have a Harry Potter, a Paw Patrol, and they also have a Mickey. So this is a really fun gift idea for the kiddos. So I'm actually going to snag the unicorn one for my daughter Scarlett, and then I'm going to snag the Mickey one for my 3-year-old. So the next deal is on the Threshold Sherpa Throws. So they are 50% off, and they have a ton of other prints, you guys. So this is just one print, but they have like 5 different holiday throws. So I think $10 for a really nice throw is great, and they're reversible. So you can, use it all year long if you want to. So they have the holiday print on one side, and then they have just the white Sherpa on the other side. So the next deal here is on the Hot Wheels Super Ultimate Car Garage playset. So this is on sale for $80 off. So you're looking to pay $119, but when you use that 25% off coupon, you'll save an additional $29.75. Okay, so after that coupon, you're looking to pay $89.25. So that is a really good deal, especially if your kiddo has this on their wish list. So the next deal is on the Serta 16-inch raised queen air mattress. So, and it also comes with an external pump. It is on sale for $49.99. So you're saving $50 on this guy. So if you're someone who needs, extra mattresses for family coming into town, or if your family's camping, this would be a great time to snag an air mattress for sure. All right, so a really fun gift idea for the kiddos is actually a 2-part gift. So the first one is the Crayola Inspiration Art Kit. So these guys are 50% off, on sale for $140. No. So it's on sale for $15, and it is a 140-piece set. And then I paired it with this Discovery Kids tablet. So it's a dry erase easel chalkboard. So you can definitely, run some paper through this guy. And your kiddos can have like an art and easel set, and the easel is $15. So, both of these put together is about $30. You can get some of those Melissa and Doug magnetic letters for the dry erase board. This would be a great item to help with like reading and writing. So I think that this is a really fun pairing for the kids. So I actually got Scarlett and Sawyer both a set of these. So I'm really excited for them for that. Okay, so the next thing that I think is a great deal is the Ninja Professional kitchen system. So I have a Ninja blender, and I cannot recommend it anymore to you guys. The Ninja blender system is amazing. So it is on sale for $99. So this would be a great time to add this kitchen gadget in your life. So there are some sales on car seats. So the Graco Snug Ride Snug Lock, this is on sale for $99. And then the 3-in-1 harness booster car seat, this guy is on sale for $89. So if you need to, if you're expecting, or someone having a baby, this would be a killer time to get some car seats. And then the last thing I'm going to mention to you guys is a killer deal on the As Seen on TV 3-quart power air fryer. So it is $50 off, so you can snag this guy for $49.99. And let me tell you guys, the air fryer saves my life literally every single day. I use my air fryer every single day. So I just wanted to share with you guys these amazing deals over at Target you can take advantage of. Submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards, get some Target gift cards. I'll have a link to Fetch Rewards if you are not signed up already. It is a free app to where you just submit your grocery receipts and then you'll get points, and points earned to gift cards. And my favorite gift card to get is Target, because look at all of these amazing deals you can do. And you can do these deals online. Literally, I have been in bed all day doing shopping for the holidays. So all 3 of my kids are all done now. So I have done all of the holiday shopping for all 3 of my kids, and I haven't even left my bed. So this year they're doing a really good job of letting you guys just shop from home, shop in bed like me. And everything is really affordable. So let me know what your favorite deal is, and let me know if you guys want me to do some other top lists for other stores and continue this like Black Friday coverage type video, because I just geek out over this stuff because I am just passionate about saving money. So let me know in the comment section below if you guys found this video helpful, and I will make some more of them. So I will talk to you guys all later. Have a fantastic weekend, and that's all. Bye guys.